Magandang morning mga kalalabs! Continue natin yung gala natin dito sa Nice, France. Pero pupunta kami ng Cannes kasi nandito na rin lang tayo, di pumunta tayo doon. Nakapunta na kasi kami ng Monaco. So, sabi ni Papa Dave, let's go to Cannes and pasyal-pasyal tayo doon. Tapos, itutuloy natin yung pamamasyal natin dito sa Nice. Hindi pa tayo nakapunta doon sa cathedral na gusto kong puntahan kahapon kasi late na rin kami nakarating. Late na rin kami natapos nag-dinner. So, yung pinuntahan lang natin is doon sa square, yung mga shopping area, and then sa kainan area, sa beach area. So, hindi pa natin napupuntahan talaga yung cathedral na gusto kong makita. Alam niyo, nakapunta na kami ni Papa Dib dito, pero I don't remember a lot of things kasi ilang years na yun, matagal na. So, dito lang kami sa may train station. Hanap kami ng bibilhan ng ticket papuntang Cannes. My love.
Parlez-vous français? Mi amor, oui oui. Bonbons?
How much is our ticket? $34 and
37 euros.
37
so that's about
euros.
$55, and that's divided by 4. It's about $15 each way. Not bad.
Yeah.
Canadian.
Yeah. Nasa train na naman kami.
You know what I'm saying?
Our life is train. Ang vlog na to ay train ride. From Milan to Nice. Nice to Cannes.
Cannes.
Yeah. But tomorrow mga kalalabs, we are having our first flight for a longest time. So magpa-flight,
even worse.
yeah, airplane naman kami tomorrow going to Prague.
Prague is 1.45 hours, so in 1 hour and 45 minutes.
Yeah.
And it's your first time in Eastern Europe. You have never been to Eastern Europe before.
True. So, first time natin to. Welcome to Cannes, mga kalalabs! So, nandito kami sa area na may mga restaurant. So, naghanap kami ni Papa Dib ng uupuan namin for lunch. Sir, car coming? Not really. Parang similar sa sa Nice. Ganito din yung sa Nice eh. Parang hindi tayo umalis ng Nice. Kain mga kalalabs. So, ito yung in-order namin. Salad niswa and french fries. And may kasamang bread. Ayan. Kain po tayo. Sobrang na-enjoy namin yung salad mga kalalabs. Really good. Ngayon naman, mag-explore na tayo dito sa sa Cannes. Titingin ako ng shop na pwede kong pasukin para makabili ako ng something dito. Let's see, baka meron tayong magustuhan. So sabi ni Papa Dave, bibili niya daw to para sa akin.
It's so soft. Look how soft it is.
Let's try.
I just want to hug you, and you can wear a smaller one if it's too big.
Oh my god, this is really cool.
See, zip it up.
No. This is like
Here, let me go on this side so I can get the less light. Oh, there you go. Oh my goodness. Fashionista. No, for real.
Stop it.
I like it actually with pants. Like obviously with the skirt it's different, but with the pants it's great.
Ivan, pour les questions d'Ivan, merci.
And it's good for the winter. The winter's coming. If
It's
you don't
gonna get
I'm
wet.
gonna get it for myself and just make you wear it.
It's cute though.
It is very cute. It's soft, and I can hug you. And
I think Nico will take it
well,
from me.
let's let her take it.
Kaloka ka?
Okay, so I'll get it.
You get it?
Well,
Extra
you
small or
gotta- You
extra?
gotta wear it on the plane so it's not heavy for our luggage. Okay.
You're crazy. Oh no, I'm just gonna get this here.
Which one do you?
Huh?
That one's small. Is there an extra small? Then you can try it too.
Extra small?
Not white because I will make it messy. Small look good though, but if you want to try extra small, it's good too.
Small is fine.
Small is fine.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
No, si Papa di bang kulit-kulit.
Papa Dave will
Bibilihin niya daw yan.
What does cool it mean?
Makulit. Yours says makulit.
Makulit? Oh, makulit.
Makulit. Naloka ako kay Papa di. Binili niya talaga yung puffy na jacket. Why did you buy that, la? Sabi niya, it looks good on you.
I think
Kala-
it looks great.
May nabili akong ano lang, pantalon at saka isang white t-shirt lang. Kasi yun lang din naman yung kailangan ko sa travel na ito. Ngayon, punta tayo sa dagat. I like those colors, like a color of summer.
I'm gonna start wearing my sweater like that. Just tie it around.
Yeah. It's a fashion.
Sophisticated.
I know, right? Naghahanap ako ng leather na bag. Hindi ko alam kung makakahanap ako nun. Sa Nice.
Like that shirt.
I like that one too. What is that?
Which is Paris.
Oh, wow.
Looks like, oh, they got Labubus.
You got Labubus?
Oh,
Do you wanna get inside? 10 euro, 8 euro, 15 euro. That's the Labubus. 20 euro. Ah, it's a cool
It's a
shop.
vape shop with Labubus.
Oh, okay. It's a vape shop.
I don't think I have anything.
Look at this one, babe. This is what you need. Wait,
That would
pakita
have
ko
been
sa
the
inyo mga
best thing to bring to your event.
Look at that, love. You don't need to...
Oh my goodness, that would have been amazing.
Look at those dress. It's really nice. Maybe this is a vintage one. Wow.
That would have been
Look
perfect.
at that
Could
one.
you imagine?
Oh, hari. Hari ng kakulitan, si Papa Dib, number 1. Walang katao-tao sa side na to, mga kalalabs. Ang tahimik. Compare doon sa pinanggalingan namin ni Papa Dib kanina nung kumain kami ng lunch.
Oh, look, it's a nightclub.
Walang katao-tao. Baka this is the night. Okay,
Here
maybe
you can be yourself.
here you can be yourself. Maganda sanang bumaba sa beach mga kalalabs. Kaso nga lang, parang siya, the whole area. Meron siyang tent na ganyan, restaurant yan. So kung gusto mo na maglangoy-langoy dyan sa dagat na yan, kailangan mo sa restaurant, kumain sa restaurant. Nandito na kami sa hotel mga kalalabs. Tignan nyo naman yung binili ni Papa Dib na jacket. Pinilit niya talaga ako. Sabi ko, okay. Okay ba siya? Ganyan yung niya, texture niya. Para siyang blanket na ewan. Pero siya, yung comfy. Bigla niya na lang binili, binayaran niya to kaagad. Pero ang pinunta ko lang talaga doon is, bumili lang ako ng puting t-shirt. Huwag na kayo magulat ng mga kalalabs. Puting t-shirt. And then isang jeans. So nakita ko to. Wala naman talaga akong planong mag-shopping. Kasi sakto naman yung mga dala kong damit. Pero sabi ko, sige na nga, bili ako ng isang jeans. Ang nito, ang brand niya is Pull and Bear. Yun yung brand. Para siyang Zara. Parang Zara or H&M. Something like that. Pero mas makapal siya. Mas maganda yung ng jeans. Ayan. So parang siya, yung parang wide. Wide sa baba. So sana sakto yung itong size. Kasi kanina nagtry ako. Yung size is 34. And I know na pag bumibili ako ng pantalon sa Canada, 36 talaga yung size ko or size 4. USA size 4. So sana sakto siya. And then sakto din yung haba. Kasi ito yung susuot ko mamaya. Punta kami sa aming dinner. Meron na naman kaming reservation. And nakita ni Papa Dib sa internet. Nagtingin-tingin siya ng pwede namin kainan. Dito sa Nice, sabi niya, dito tayo babawi ng maraming masasarap na pagkain. Kasi nga, di ba nung nasa Switzerland kami, even though nakakain naman kami ng masasarap na pagkain sa Switzerland, na-try namin yung mga, nila, yung mga pagkain nila. Pero kasi, sa Milan, na-enjoy din namin siya. Pero dito sa France, ang dami talaga magagandang restaurant at masasarap na pagkain. Tulad nung kinainan namin kagabi, sobrang na-enjoy namin yung steak, yung beef tartar, at saka yung, what do you call that egg, Bab?
Scotch egg.
Scotch egg. Masarap siya. Na-enjoy namin siya. Sobrang nakaka-amaze yung mga pagkain dito. And yung pupuntahan din namin na restaurant, parang, parang steak din yata. Si Papa Dib ang namimili ng mga restaurant na kakainan. Kasi siya yung may alam talaga sa magagandang restaurant. Talaga siya. Magsa-search talaga siya ng magandang restaurant na alam niya na may enjoy naming dalawa. Nais ko kayo kasi nakapatong kayo sa bote. Bote ng ni Papa Dib. Has niya. Yung iniinom niya. Tinatanggalan ko lang to ng yung tag. Tatry ko siya. So that we can wear it today. I love the jacket, love.
Okay.
Ang plastic mo, girl. Girl, huwag ka na magpanggap. Hindi talaga maganda siya, mga kalalabs. I like it. Yung parang, alam mo yung punta ka sa airport, ito yung suot mo. But you want me to wear this at the airport? Airport.
Yeah, because
Airport check.
you don't like it.
No, I like it. No, I'm not comfortable. No, sorry. Wrong word. I'm not used to it. Okay, I'm not used to it wearing.
It's not that fancy.
Yeah, I know. I'm not used to wearing different kind of style because my style is very plain. Like black, gray, white.
That is black.
Yes, this is black, but then this is have like, alam mo yun, yung parang, ano yung napapanood ko sa TV before na yung outfit ang ganito. But anyway, it's really nice. I like it. So ito yung ating pwedeng isuot bukas papuntang airport. Loko tong talaga si Papa Dib. And meron pala akong ikwento sa inyo, mga kalalabs. Kung kayo yung nakapunta na ng France, maloloka kayo sa mga taga France, no? Yung parang ano sila, yung parang lagi silang galit, yung parang silang, akala mo bastos sila, pero ganun talaga yung personality nila, strong yung personality. Sa restaurant na kinainan namin kanina, na-shock ako dun sa babae kasi yung bang nag-order kami, salad ni Swa, tapos isang french fries, and then isang ganito ganyan, yung inumin namin. Tapos meron siyang parang, una kasi tinanong kami, sparkling water or something like that, diba? Kami, okay na kami sa tap water. Hindi kami nag-sparkling water. And sabi namin, tap water. Tapos, bigla yung parang nandiri siya sa amin. Yung parang, walang mga pera to. Parang ganun, judgmental be. Pwede kami mag-order ng drinks, no? Pero syempre, ano yung parang pipiliin mo kung ano yung mas worth it na orderin. Like example, we're going to the restaurant. Mag-order kami ni Papa Dib ng wine, ganyan, or juice. Yung alam mo na worth it dun sa pera na ibabayad mo. Yung tubig, B. Tap water, please. Diba? Hindi naman ibig sabihin na pag marami kang pera, sige ka lang ng sige, diba mga kalalabs? Kahit na-afford mo yan, kailangan mo pa rin isipin kung ano talaga yung mas worth it na mas mababawi mo yung pera mo, diba? Yung gagastusin mo. Hindi porket ang dami mong pera, sige, bilhin mo to, bilhin mo yan. Diba mga kalabs? Hindi pwede yung ganun. Kailangan isipin mo, worth it ba yun? So parang ginudge niya kami na parang yung giniwi niya yung labi niya. Para siyang racist na parang ganun. Pero honestly, yung mga taga France is ganun talaga yung personality nila. Medyo strong and nakakatakot minsan. Parang pag sensitive ka, hindi mo maintindihan kung bakit sila ganun. 'Di ba? Kung nakapunta na kayo ng France. Anyway, pahinga lang kami saglit and then we will go out again. So it's already 4:20. We will leave around 5:30. Is that right? 5:30 market and then the cathedral. And then the restaurant. And that's the last agenda here in Nice. And then impake time and we will go to Prague tomorrow. Excited na ba kayo sa Prague, mga kalabs? Kasi excited na rin ako. What are you doing?
I just think it's a beautiful jacket, do you not?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I love it.
And I have something for you.
What?
It's a pom-pom.
Natatawa ako. Wow, what is it?
It's a pom-pom.
Naluha ako. Natatawa ako. Sabi niya sa akin, you should wear this jacket now. Ang init sa labas, papasok mo. Don't do that. That's my mic, Beb.
What's a mic?
Sakit ng panga
That was
ko.
part of your jacket. Looks like it's part of your jacket, does it not?
Sakit
It
ng panga ko,
matches.
Beb.
No one will know
Wait,
that you're
may
wearing a mic.
ano.
No one will know that you're wearing a mic. No one has to know. Look at that.
I like it, Beb. Don't worry. I'm gonna wear it. Not now. It's so hot outside.
It's not hot outside. You just told me to bring a jacket because it's cold.
It's
Did you
not a
not say
jacket.
that?
Beb,
You
I
just said bring a jacket because it's cold. Now you're saying it's hot because you're ashamed of the jacket.
No, I like it. Come
I
on,
just bought
Beb.
you a beautiful jacket. And you're
Thanks, love.
all
I like
there.
that. I'm
It's
gonna
all
wear it
there.
tomorrow. Ang dami mong drama sa life.
It's my birthday.
It's my birthday. Nasa labas na ulit tayo, mga kalalabs. Galing na tayo dito kagabi. And bumalik lang tayo kasi dito tayo dadaan talaga papunta doon sa isang katedral na gusto kong makita. Today is Saturday and there's a lot of people, eh? Hindi ko lang alam kung maaga bang magsasara yung mga shop dito. Kasi yesterday, Friday, parang maaga pa rin. Parang sa Europe, parang maaga sila nagsasara ng mga shop. So kahapon na vlog ko doon mga kalalag. Ito hindi pa. So this is a big park. Dito tayo dadaan papunta doon sa cathedral na gusto kong puntahan. Iba talaga no mga kalalabs pag pag maaraw, clear yung sky. Ma-appreciate mo talaga yung kulay ng mga pinupuntahan mo. Yung mga building, yung mga puno. Basta kung ano yung nakapaligid pag pag maaraw, ibang-iba talaga. Tapos yung energy mo, iba din kasi maaraw. Pero pag gloomy siya, gloomy ka din kasi parang we need sun in our life. This is the beautiful cathedral, mga kalalabs. O diba, ang ganda niya. I think pag may drone ka, kung nakikita nyo yung dito sa may area na yan, yung tinuturo ko, makikita nyo yung kulay. But of course, nasa baba tayo kaya hindi natin makikita. So around that cathedral, ang daming mga pwedeng kainan. Table. Kaya kung nagutom kayo, may mga ice cream, may mga souvenirs. Ayan, ang daming tao. Gusto ko sana mag-ice cream kaso nga lang magdi-dinner kami ni Papa Dave. So, andito na kami sa restaurant, mga kalalabs. Ilalagay ko na lang yung pangalan ng restaurant dito. So, dalawa lang ang choices ng nila, menu. So, meron silang 3 set and 5 sets. So, 3 sets and 5 sets, right? Yeah, this is the one. So, yung namin, pipiliin namin is yung 5. So, you will have 2 appetizer. What is this one, Beb? 2 appetizer, 2 main course.
Yep.
And then cheese. Or this is cheese or dessert. Okay, so yung yung 3 courses is like one starter, 1 main course, isang dessert. Pero yung 5 courses is like 2 appetizer, 2 main course at saka isang dessert. Wow, excited na ako kasi gutom na ako. It's already 7:20. Supposed to be yung reservation time namin is 7:30 pero napaaga kami. Kasi kanina pa kami naglakad-lakad ni Papa Dib doon sa may sa may Old Town. Ikot kami ng ikot. So sabi ko tara na sa restaurant. Medyo in the middle of nowhere tong restaurant na to. So sana okay siya. Masarap. Let's see. And then we got our olives, of course. How is it? Is it good?
Because all of me loves all of you.
We. Try natin yung olives. Paborito ko ng olives ngayon eh. What kind of drinks we're getting?
I would like some red wine.
White wine for me.
White?
Yes. White wine. Order lang kami ng food namin and then drink.
I think so, yeah.
So this is our first appetizer. May papuno siyang olives. The presentation. Okay. Ang lasa? We don't know that. Try natin. Okay, try natin tong first appetizer. Let's try. Ganito yung itsura niya. Meron siyang salad. You can taste the...
Actually, it tastes very like...
Yeah, you can taste the...
It tastes very oily, but truffle. It tastes truffle.
Yeah.
And the puree is very like soft, eh?
By the way, mga kalabs, tong restaurant na to is a truffle restaurant. So if you love truffle, then you can try this restaurant.
Remember the truffle sauce spaghetti that I brought home? You would make it truffle pasta?
Yeah. Cheers, mga kalalabs. Second appetizer, mushroom, truffles. Let's try this. It comes with bread pala mga kalabs. Warm bread. With the, leather bucket. Leather bucket. The leather bucket. Okay, let's try this. Ooh. How is it, love? Good? Kain po. Mmm. Mmm. That's good.
Very earthy.
Yeah. True, it's very earthy. Second appetizer, mga kalabs. Yung una pala is lang siya, pa-trial. And yung pangalawa, yun yung first appetizer. And this one is the second appetizer. Parang siyang mushroom soup na may truffles. Kain ulit. Kain ulit, mga kalalabs. Let's try this truffle by itself.
It's interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, right?
Oh, wow. Look at the egg yolk broke.
Oh, there.
See that?
Yes, I saw it. Okay, so ayan, try nga natin yan. So far, so good, mga kalalabs. Full house na yung restaurant ngayon. Ang dami ng Buti na lang nakakuha kami ng reservation tonight, right? We didn't expect that we will have a reservation, like we will get in because talaga to, yung parang number 3 best restaurant in Nice. Is that right? And then, alam niyo ba, meron lang silang isang server at saka isang chef. So, dalawa lang silang kumikilos dito sa restaurant na to. That's amazing. But, the thing is, they only have 2 choices in the menu. So, that's actually work, right? It worked. It's good. And masarap. Hindi siya yung basta-basta. Prosciutto naman, mga kalalabs. This is our first entree. How is it? Good? What's the second entree? Fish? Oh, fish. Okay. Tastes like rice.
Thank you.
Thank you. Isda na to, mga kalalabs. Fish. Our second entree. And next nito is dessert. Dessert time. Hindi nyo nakita, meron silang dito, pa-candle kay Papa. Namatay na siya bigla. But anyway, dessert time. Nandito na kami sa hotel, mga kalalabs. Kararating lang actually. Yung dinner namin, it took us 2 hours to finish. Kasi nga, 'di ba, 5 courses siya. Nabusog ako, grabe. And then, buti na lang, yung restaurant malayo sa hotel namin. So, we walk around 35 minutes, right, love? 35 minutes to get here. So, saktong-sakto lang kasi syempre kailan mo i-digest yung mga kinain mo. Sa sobrang dami nun. Alam nyo, ang liliit ng portion nun, pero nakakabusog siya. Grabe. At masarap siya. Satisfied naman yung namin, yung dinner namin. If you're interested pala kung anong pangalan ng restaurant na yun, lalagay ko dito sa screen at kung magkano yung binayaran namin. So, 2 courses siya, 5 yung 5, 2 order, 5 courses. So, times 2 yun. Tag-5 kami ni Papa Dave. And then, Papa Dave ordered 2 drinks, or 2 drinks or 3? 3 drinks. And then, ako isa lang kasi hindi ko talaga kaya. And then, inubos lang din naman ni Papa Dave yung iniinom ko kasi nag-order ako pero kalahati lang talaga yung iniinom ko. Para lang masabing merong wine, no? Kasi si Papa Dave, ayaw niya talaga na siya lang yung umiinom ng wine. Gusto niya mag-order din ako. So, nag-order ako ng white wine. So, ayun na po yung vlog natin dito sa Nice. And, luckily, we went to Cannes kasi wala na kaming masyadong gagawin dito sa Nice today. So, yung pinuntahan na nga lang natin is yung, naulit naming pinuntahan kahapon. Except doon sa Old Nice and then yung church. So, ayun, na-enjoy namin ang friends. So, I'll be ending our Nice Cannes Friends vlog dito and we will see you tomorrow sa Prague. Hindi na ako magbablog siguro on the way there kasi maaga yung biyahe namin. We will leave our hotel around 7:30 and then we will arrive sa Prague, I think, mga noon na siguro. So, mahaba-habang biyahe din. So, see you sa Prague na lang. Thank you all for watching. Salamat. Good night from France. Love you all. Bye-bye.